Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to resolve your license turned educational in Tally Prime on the license server system. In a multi-user environment, the system in which you activate the license is called the license server system. The status of the license in the server system may turn educational for various reasons. Let us look at the various scenarios and how to get the license running on the server system. The first scenario of license turning educational occurs because of the system-related activities like format, change in hard disk, and Windows update. In such cases, the license becomes inactive due to system registry changes. You need to reactivate the license for resolution. You can watch our video on license reactivation to know how to reactivate the license in Tally Prime. Let us look at the second scenario in which the license turns educational frequently. At times, you may open Tally Prime and observe that the license has turned educational. This happens due to various reasons. One of the reasons can be that the gateway service is stopped or stopping frequently. Tally Prime fetches license through the gateway service. When this service stops, the license will not be served to the system where it is configured. In such a case, you need to check the status of the Tally gateway server on your system. Press Windows R, type services.msc and press Enter. The Services window appears. In this window, you can identify your Tally gateway server. When the cursor is on the server, you can see the description on left-hand side, which will help you in identifying the right server. After identifying, check the status type of the server. As you can see, it is automatic. Then check the status. If there is no status, then the service is stopped. Right-click and click Start to start the services. As you can see, the status is changed to running. If the issue persists, we recommend you upgrade to the latest release if you are using Tally Prime Release 1.1.3 or earlier versions. There is also a possibility the license was reactivated on multiple systems and few or all systems are configured to incorrect gateway services. Reactivation of the same license on multiple systems will turn the license educational in the system where it was activated previously. This largely happens in a multi-user environment. In a multi-user environment, license is activated on one of the systems, which becomes the server system. Other systems become clients to the license server system. These clients should be configured to connect to the license gateway service installed in the server system. We recommend you take data backup and reactivate the license on the license server system, and then you can configure the license on the client system. To configure the license in the client system, click Use License from Network. The Configure Your License screen appears, and the licenses that are available will be listed on the screen. Now, bring the cursor to the correct license and press Enter. As you can see, the license is configured. Also, we recommend uninstalling the unwanted gateway services from the client systems. To check the list of services, open the Services window. You can see that there is a server for Tally ERP9 and other products. Now, consider that only Tally Prime is used on this system. So, you can uninstall the server for Tally ERP9. Uninstalling the server will avoid conflicts and wrong configuration to this gateway when you reactivate the license. Right-click on the server and click Properties. Keep this window open as you will need it to navigate to the folder path of the server, which you can identify under Path to Executable. Now, open Command Prompt in Administrator mode. Type command in search box and click Run as Administrator. The Administrator command prompt screen appears. Now navigate to the folder in which the Tally Gateway Server is installed. Type cd, press spacebar and type c:/. Now type program files and type the entire path as you can see on the screen and press enter. Close command prompt. Open the services window, right click on it and then click refresh. As you can see, the Tally Gateway Server that was uninstalled is not in the list anymore. Now let us look at the third scenario. License turns inactive when your system is not connected to the internet for more than 30 days. We recommend you connect to the internet at least once in 30 days minimum to avoid the issue. If the license has turned educational due to this reason, then you can connect to the internet and restart the application. As you saw, there can be various scenarios in which your license turns educational on the license server system in a multi-user environment. You can follow the checklists and troubleshooting tips demonstrated in this video to resolve and continue to enjoy the benefits of the features in Tally Prime. Thank you. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.